Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to TCL 605. Begin by opening Play Store on both devices and getting free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Then to set it up, tap on the same options in both apps. Let's begin by hitting I agree and I acknowledge at the top. Then hit confirm at the bottom. Continue. Allow in first pop-up and allow all in a second one. Now tap on whatever you want to in all those other ones. When you finished, select Send at the bottom left corner of an Android and Receive right next to Send at the bottom of TCL. Also on an Android, using all of those categories at the top, pick all of your files to send. I will go with only a few just for example. In last two categories, contacts and files, you need to choose Allow a few more times to access them. When you're ready, hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. If you decided to transfer any app, hit OK in white pop-up and then hit Got it in Here's Some Tip 1 to decide which connection way you want to use. To scan the QR code, tap on the scanning icon above User Guide. Close and add. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point your device's camera at the code. To input this key, hit Input Key section below, enter the key. Type in all of those numbers in correct order and hit Receive button to connect. Wherever you decided, just wait. Close all ads, and as you can see after that, my files were successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!